Imagine never stumbling in darkness again. These rechargeable flashlights deliver blazing lumens, rugged durability, and smart features that redefine your night. From pocket-sized powerhouses to lantern-style multi-tool marvels, we've tested the brightest and toughest models. Stick around to find the ultimate torch that'll light up your every adventure. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have GearLight LED Tactical Flashlight, the best budget rechargeable flashlight. Ready for a bright adventure? GearLight LED Tactical Flashlight delivers impressive power and versatility packed in a compact design. Whether you're camping or facing a power outage, this flashlight shines bright and performs superbly. First, let's talk about its 5 modes. They include a strobe function and SOS light, providing options for any situation. Even though the low setting might feel underwhelming, you'll find the rest useful and effective during low light conditions. A lightweight composition makes it incredibly portable. Carrying this flashlight for hours feels effortless, and it remains cool even after extended use. Plus, the wristband component is a thoughtful touch, allowing hands-free operation. Durability stands out as another highlight. After dropping it from 3 feet, I found no marks or issues. It kept shining as brightly as ever. Testing water resistance, it passed without a hitch, staying completely dry inside. You can confidently use it in wet conditions without worrying about damage. Besides these great features, the telescoping design allows for precision aiming. Focusing on specific areas is a breeze, enhancing overall usability. While this model lacks a built-in USB port and battery indicator, these aspects make it more affordable without sacrificing quality. What do I love most? It's hard not to appreciate the value this flashlight offers. Stay tuned for a flat, ultra-bright EDC torch that slips into your pocket without sacrificing power. At number 4, we have Nitecore Rechargeable Flashlight, the best flat rechargeable flashlight. Flashlight lovers, meet the Nitecore Rechargeable Flashlight. Incredible versatility packed into a compact design. This EDC27 flat tactical flashlight boasts an astounding 3000 lumen brightness, perfect for illuminating any dark space. With an OLED LED screen, you'll easily select from 5 settings: ultra low, low, medium, high, strobe, and turbo mode. One standout feature is its slender body. At just 1 inch by 0.5 inches, this flashlight fits snugly in any pocket or bag. Its rectangular shape also makes it comfortable to hold, allowing for extended use without discomfort. Plus, you can wear it on your wrist for easy accessibility on the go. Durability impressed me too. After dropping this flashlight from 3 feet, it remained intact and fully functional. It's a great choice to keep in your car for emergencies, as it easily fits into almost any compartment. While the performance astounds, expect some warmth during extended use. Although the flashlight tends to heat up, its bright beam more than compensates for this minor issue. What I love most about the Nitecore is its blend of size and functionality. It stands out compared to bulkier models, making it less cumbersome and more practical for daily carry. If you seek a reliable, rechargeable flashlight that doesn't compromise on power or portability, this product is worth exploring further. Coming up, a multifunctional beam with an OLED readout and wrist strap ease you'll love. Still searching for the perfect rechargeable flashlight? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Lighting Ever Rechargeable LED Lantern, the best rechargeable flashlight lantern for camping. Need a reliable lighting solution for your next adventure? The Lighting Ever Rechargeable LED lantern impresses with its versatility and thoughtful design. During extensive outdoor use, this lantern has consistently proven to be my go-to camping companion. Lightweight and portable, it serves as a flashlight, a lantern, and an emergency power bank. This flexibility allows you to adapt it to your needs, whether you're setting up camp or navigating dark trails. One standout feature is the fold flat handle. It makes carrying or hanging this lantern effortless, freeing up space in your backpack. Another aspect I appreciate is the USB charging capability. If your phone battery runs low, simply connect it to this lantern. This feature is especially useful during unexpected power outages at home or while camping. Additionally, the red light function preserves your night vision. It's convenient for reading maps after dark. However, the rechargeable batteries are built in rather than replaceable. This design choice means using it for extended trips may require careful power management. Though it limits the power bank's utility, it encourages you to make the most of the lantern's flashlight and lantern modes. What I love most is how this lantern seamlessly combines multiple functionalities in a stylish, compact package. It stands out among similar products due to its durability and reliability. Stick around to see the lantern that doubles as a phone charger and preserves night vision. At number 2, we have Blackfire Rechargeable. Weatherproof magnetic flashlight, the best rechargeable flashlight for mechanics. Need a reliable flashlight? Check out the Blackfire Rechargeable Weatherproof magnetic flashlight with lantern. Perfect for mechanics, this tool excels in various settings, making it an indispensable addition to your gear. Its bright 500 lumens output delivers ample illumination for working under the hood or camping at night. Choose from 5 brightness settings to suit your needs. This versatility is a game changer when tackling different tasks. The magnetic base adheres to metal surfaces, freeing up your hands for repairs or adjustments. A standout feature is the side throw lantern. It casts soft light over a wide area, ideal for checking small details without harsh glare. If you're troubleshooting your vehicle, this flashlight provides just the right illumination. Enjoy the convenience of a USB-C connection for fast recharging. No more fumbling around with outdated connectors. You'll appreciate the multicolor battery level indicator as well, ensuring you always know how much power is left. While a tad bulky for pocket storage, the glow-in-the-dark bezel offsets this by allowing for easy retrieval in low-light areas. What impressed me most was the balance between power and practicality. It shines brightly without being cumbersome, making it suitable for both heavy-duty work and leisurely use. And don't miss the mechanic's dream light that magnetically clings and illuminates every nook. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Nitecore MT21C flashlight, the best overall rechargeable flashlight. Bright, versatile, and user-friendly, Nitecore MT21C flashlight truly earns its title as the best overall rechargeable flashlight. After extensive testing, this model impressed me with its standout features. One major highlight is its magnetic base. This allows you to work hands-free, making it perfect for tasks like fixing a car. Simply attach it to any metal surface and let the light shine on tight spots. An adjustable head provides even more flexibility, enabling you to direct light exactly where needed. This feature enhances task efficiency, especially in challenging conditions. Built to last, this flashlight boasts an impressive IPX8 rating, proving it withstands splashes and drops remarkably well. I tested its durability with dunk and drop experiments, and it came through with flying colors. On top of that, the slim textured body is comfortable to hold, ensuring you won't drop it, even in wet conditions. Operating the flashlight is a breeze thanks to an intuitive single-button design. While the low setting might require some time to adjust to, it quickly becomes second nature. This simple functionality promotes ease of use, making it accessible for everyone. What I love most about the Nitecore MT21C is how it harmoniously blends comfort, resilience, and practicality into a portable package. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best rechargeable flashlights. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which rechargeable flashlight you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.